tonight. Following the power lines, met a man bar side, with eclipses for eyes, and you tell yourself you won't let in touch. Did I say too much? Did I say enough? I don't know. Sylvia, I don't know. Sylvia.
Like a real champ, take it down, never chill like a real man. No chase face, looking like I'm real man. Fuck it if I get him too drunk, I don't feel bad. I just wanna get my rocks off. Champagne, shake it up, let it pop off. Spraying down the women that wear knockoffs. What you standing there for? Take your top off. Everybody getting crazy in the party, looking like baby. Get a friend, you can meet me in Brisbane. All aboard, cause we riding on this train, and we take it to the masses. Who got the good weed? Fill up all the glasses. One more shot, indeed, I'll be smashing. Get up on the bar, you're a star in a bad bitch. We got the Melbourne bounce, 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 bounce. We got the Melbourne bounce, 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 bounce. We got the Melbourne bounce, 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 bounce. We got the Melbourne. Smoke it all up by the ounce. Melbourne girls, they love the bounce. Love the bounce.